on, family? What's up? What's popping? Kombawa, konnichiwa, ogenki desu ka? Today I felt like having Korean, so I went to a close one that is like a 2 minutes walk away from my apartment. And then the teacher at work told me that it's good, it's nice, so kind of put on a little something and go. You understand me? I say sometimes, you know, you feel like you put on a little something. So I got myself pork kimchi with cheese. Can you smell it? It's nice. I taste it before me start talk to now. But guess what? Everything was in Japanese and I used my phone to translate, so I didn't know that it didn't come with rice or anything because it was 700 yen. So I just put on some macaroni to eat, some spaghetti to eat with it. Look at that cheesiness. Tastes good. And I also bought some salad. This was for 500 yen. Looks nice already. Green and fresh. Good. It's good. So I don't like to talk while I'm eating, so I'm gonna just finish eat and then we come and have a chat. All right, soon come. I feel like I'm gonna eat this off before the macaroni finish. It's not spicy though, but it's all right. I can taste every flavor because it's not overpowered by spice. Ooh, look at all that cheesy goodness. Soon come. Because she did indicate like, is that all? Anything else? But you know me, trying to translate and everything, I'm like, 700 yen, this must come with rice or something. And then I thought to myself, maybe it doesn't, but it's fine. Okay, I'm back with the macaroni, so I'm just gonna mix it. But honestly, it's kind of like the only little posh spot in my area. Not really posh, but going out spot, you know what I mean? So it was full and it was just a small restaurant, so they told me that they had no space, and so I said okay, takeout, because I already decided that I would just do takeout. I already decided that I would do the takeout and come and do the video while I'm eating, but I'm not gonna eat and talk. Mother say bad manners, so. But their customer service, you know, customer service in Japan is quite good. So it's alright. And they told me that I have to wait long, but I didn't wait long. I waited like probably 10 minutes. I just came back to the apartment and said, oh, I'm gonna just do the video while I wait. But I didn't have to wait for long. I should have asked for set though. But then again, the set would have cost me probably 3,000 odd. So you have to know. I should have had some beer with this. Oh gosh, can't bother go to shop. Can't bother, even though it's close by, but water it is. Hey family, I'm back and my belly full. That was good. So let's get into the life update. Okay, my life has been tremendously slowed down. Like, I'm living a very slow, quiet, peaceful life. It was peaceful before, but it is even more peaceful now. Like, can you imagine having the birds wake you up in the morning, and when you just open your window that's over your bed, you can see the sunset just smiling at you. And I hear frogs croaking too. Surprisingly, that is not so scary for me. It's it actually sounds good, like I'm basking in nature. And I have decided to share my journey, my slow living journey. Of course it wouldn't fit in this niche, so I created a new channel. It's called Simple Extrovert, because I'm still an extrovert. I think the last time I checked, I think I'm extroverted. But I'm living now a more simple life, and I want to share that journey and share that with you all. So if you are interested in seeing that part of me, this is totally a total different side of me, and I feel like, oh, I'm changing and I'm becoming a new person. I'm not sure if I will go back to the old person who loves excitement and, you know, Jamaicans, and coming from where I was living in Spanish Town, yard full of people and I don't think that has changed. Maybe it is that I'm just conforming to my new norm, or I don't know, how long will it last before I feel like, yo, this boring one got me out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I created Simple Extrovert to share that journey, and it's a total different side of me, total different niche. If you're into slow living, calm, silent vlogs, yeah, you can check it out. The description will be in this video, and also the channel is featured on this channel. So let me tell you now how much of a change it has been. So I moved from a semi-rural place, it's more city, and I had several schools, like over 5, over 6, yeah, several. I worked at several schools because I worked publicly and I worked privately as well. I worked at, hey, trust me, when I tell you busy, sometimes I worked on weekends, Sundays, Saturdays, during the week, weekdays, evenings. Hey, listen to me, man, busy. And that was like, yeah, just a month ago. So I moved from that. I moved from not having a relationship with the students and the many people that I worked with, because imagine working with multiple people at multiple schools, like you have to deal with multiple personalities. And I moved from that to working with one teacher. So I'm now at one school, and I moved from not being able to participate in school activities, because once there is like an event or any extracurricular activity, the company just didn't schedule me to work at that particular school, so I would have to skip. I missed all of that. Now I am at this school and I'm a part of the karate club. I have my own locker. The whole works. Is like a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. Yeah, so that has been a dramatic change in my life, and I spoke about it on the other channel as well, in a different format, of course. Also, I was like uploading 2 videos per week for this channel. That has changed. It will just be like 1 video per week, and I'll do my live stream sometimes on Sundays. But there are so many videos that some of you haven't watched yet. There are like enough videos to catch up with, even if I don't post twice a week, because there was even a time when I just started doing YouTube properly, like last year, May, I was uploading like every day. I just wanted to challenge myself and to discipline myself to upload videos every day. So I did that in the first month, I think, when I started doing the channel, you know, properly, because I had the channel, but I wasn't uploading anything or doing anything. So there are so many videos that you haven't watched yet. So if you miss me, because I'm uploading once a week, you can catch up on some of those older videos. Some are good, some are not so good, because I was experimenting and just trying out the channel and seeing what works best and see if I can blow up, and all of that has gone through the door. Like, I'm just doing it now because I want to, as the new banner states, inspire and edutain. So inspiration and edutainment, education and entertainment. So Not that my goal has changed, that I don't want my channel to grow and everything, but I'm just so calm now. I'm more calmer. What's going on? Like, I've gotten an awakening, and I think what it is I'm going through a spiritual journey, because my body and my mind wakes up at 5 or minutes to 5 every morning, and I'm like, no, I did not set my alarm for 5 o'clock. I should be waking up at 7. Yeah, I wake up at 7 because I live close to my school, so I just don't need to be rushing to get up. Like, but my body and my spirit and my mind and everything is saying, hey, get up 5 o'clock every morning. I'm like, no, I go back to sleep, go back. So I'm gonna obey, and I'm just gonna get up at 5 in the mornings and do my meditations and try to find out what my purpose is, because obviously, you know, God is bringing me through some form of phase, like some changes are taking place in my life, and so I'm just giving you that quick update. I don't have much interaction here. I don't go out. I just interact with my students and the teacher that I work with at the school, and every now and again the other Japanese teachers, but I don't really have a social life, so to speak. And how do I feel about that? As an extrovert, I'm okay. I'm good. Like, literally, I'm fine. I'm good. Yeah. So, as I said, I don't know how long it's going to last. Is it just a phase? Stay tuned, because I'll be sharing more as I go along. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing and liking and all of those good things. And I'll see you in the next video.